Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to carve a Mandalorian shield out of wood using a CNC machine. The Mandalorian shield is an iconic symbol from the Star Wars universe, and with the help of a CNC machine, we can create a precise and accurate replica out of wood. So, let's get started. Step 1. Gathering the materials. The first thing you'll need to do is gather the materials. You'll need a piece of wood, preferably a hardwood like oak or maple, a CNC machine, and a design file for the Mandalorian shield. You can find design files online or create your own using software like Adobe Illustrator or AutoCAD. Step 2. Preparing the wood. Once you have your design file, it's time to prepare the wood. Cut your wood down to size, and then sand it to a smooth finish. This will ensure that your design is carved accurately and will look its best once it's finished. Step 3. Setting up the CNC machine. Now it's time to set up the CNC machine. Load your design file into the machine software, and then secure your wood to the machine's bed. Make sure the wood is securely fastened, so it doesn't shift during the carving process. Step 4. Carving the Mandalorian shield. Once your machine is set up and your wood is secured, it's time to start carving the Mandalorian shield. The CNC machine will follow the design file and carve the shield out of the wood with precise accuracy. This process can take some time, depending on the size and complexity of your design. Step 5. Finishing touches. Once your machine has finished carving the shield, it's time for some finishing touches. Sand the shield to remove any rough edges or imperfections. You can also stain or paint your shield to give it a finished look. Conclusion. And there you have it, your very own Mandalorian shield carved out of wood using a CNC machine. This project is a great way to create a unique and personalized piece of Star Wars memorabilia. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. May the Force be with you.